Funfest Family Festival right here at Hope Gardens, Kingston. I'm your host, Michaela Leeanna, and this week we'll be bringing to you the latest in entertainment and lifestyle for the next half an hour. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show because Pree Dis starts now. Beer Wendzdays is now a fixture on the live show circuit. dBURNZ and Tifa, they rocked the house at A-Bar most recently. So here what? Check out the highlights.
The response was overwhelming. People come out and leave because A-Bar couldn't hold people. It was an awesome vibe. Awesome.
Dexta Daps perform with you. I mean, what was the chemistry like recording that track with them?
I mean, it was pretty cool, you know. It was a lot of jokes and fun. You know, if you know Daseka, you know them. It's a whole heap of jokes. And I mean, just coming at the mix with my little mad self. It was a lot of fun record. Even though it's a sexy song, it was a lot of fun.
Run away from your fears. Try to run away from the system. Don't you know they will always be there.
This is my third Beer Wendzdays, my third consecutive Beer Wendzdays, you know what I mean? So to be performing every Wednesday, showcasing my talent to a new audience each Wednesday, because we do countryside first. Then we did Triple Century and now we're doing A-Bar. So a different location every week with different people. Good exposure, you know what I mean? And we're building relationships with corporate entities meanwhile. So the best thing.
What we saw is that consumption of beer and or other products was heavily skewed towards the weekend. You know, the regular Friday night in the club, Saturdays. We sat in the office and we said, how can we get persons to party during the weekday? You know, so we came up with the term Beer Wendzdays, you know, which is dedicated to all our beer brands, not just Red Stripe, but Heineken and Guinness is also a part of the program. And basically what we do is we take it across the island. We actually have 300 participants in the program, but what we're doing here tonight is turning things up a little bit, and we're calling it Beer Wendzdays Live. You know, we do a little live entertainment. Tifa is inside performing. We had earlier dBURNZ and the Flash Mob Band, and we'll be going basically all across Jamaica. Different artists, different location, same great beer, same great taste.
How has it been so far?
Well, the feedback has been enormous. As you can see for yourself, inside is jam-packed. The turnout is absolutely fabulous.
And you
recently topped the charts with his song Trailer Load. Now on December 28th, dancehall artist Razor B will stage his annual Christmas Treats and Funday event in Portmore. Let's stick around for the details.
I miss this is Mr. Razor B. You know say anytime I come out all the girls, I might defend them man and a man. Cause me have a cheddar load of girls and me nah give away none anyway. Me go me bring them with me so uno come.
Every December 28th we have a thing called Show Us the Way Foundation, Razor B Funday. We should keep in this community here where it cater to the youths them. We have the food, we have the bouncer boat, we have lots of giveaways. And that giveaways because it's December and we know the school start back January. We know it's hard in Jamaica here, you know what I mean? And the government and the parents and you know what I mean, we have a little better opportunity than them, so we make sure we give it back in our community. So we have the pencils, the books, the crayons, the computers, the laptops where we give away. And also we have cash prize for the smartest kid or a kid who can do a math thing or a recite a Bible verse or something. You know what I mean? We always do that. And it's been happening now for the last 5 years. And I tell them I'm excited about it, something I'm happy about. You know what I mean? I'm looking forward to it again. So December 28th, I want everybody in Jamaica to turn out and represent it, you know what I mean?
Now, well, I'm chilling here with Spider-Man. We're going to go to our first commercial break. When we get back, we're going to check out the video premiere as well as the talent on the rise. We'll be right back.